Listening to this video will be far more effective than watching a video.
What if I told you that tiny, invisible psychological tricks could make people like you, trust you, and even agree with you, without them even realizing it? Sounds like magic, right? But it's all backed by science. Stay with me till the end because today we're diving into 10 psychological tricks that can completely change the way you interact with people. Psychology isn't just for scientists. It's used by successful entrepreneurs, FBI agents, and top salespeople to influence and persuade. And once you learn these tricks, you'll have a huge advantage in your personal and professional life. Ready? Let's begin. Number 1 is the mirror effect. If you want someone to like you, mirror their body language and speech. If they talk slowly, you talk slowly. If they lean in, you lean in. Subconsciously, their brain will think, wow, we're alike. And boom, instant connection. Number 2 is the power of nodding. This one's simple. If you nod while speaking, people subconsciously agree with you. Ever noticed how great speakers subtly nod while making a point? It creates agreement in the listener's mind. Try it in conversations. You'll be surprised how persuasive it makes you. Number 3 is the name effect. Want to make people feel special? Use their name often. Instead of just saying, hey, nice to meet you, say, hey Alex, nice to meet you. Using a person's name makes them feel valued, increasing your likability instantly. Number 4 is the foot in the door technique. Start small, then go big. If you need a big favor, first ask for something tiny, like borrowing a pen. Once they say yes, they're more likely to agree to bigger requests later. This trick is used in marketing, sales, and even relationships. Number 5 is the Benjamin Franklin effect. Here's a weird one. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a favor. Ben Franklin once asked a rival to lend him a book. After that, they became friends. Why? Because the rival's brain justified the favor by thinking, I must like this guy if I helped him. Try this, it works like magic. Number 6 is the emotional word trick. Words matter. Using strong emotional words makes people listen. Instead of saying, this is important, say, this is a game changer. Suddenly people pay attention. Number 7 is the 2-second rule. Confidence is key. And the trick to looking confident? Hold eye contact for 2 seconds before looking away. Not too long, not too short, just 2 seconds. This builds instant trust and authority. Number 8 is the door in the face technique. If you need a favor, first ask for something big, something they'll probably refuse. Then, when you ask for a smaller favor, they'll be more likely to agree because it seems reasonable in comparison. Number 9 is the pause effect. Here's a secret. If you pause after asking a question, people feel compelled to answer. This is used in job interviews, sales, and negotiations. Silence creates pressure, making the other person feel like they have to fill it. Next time you want an honest answer from someone, ask, and just stay silent. Watch how they rush to respond. Number 10 is the power of pacing and leading. Start by matching someone's energy, and then slowly lead them to your desired mood. If someone is upset, first match their tone. Then, gradually shift to a calmer voice. Their mood will unconsciously follow yours. And there you have it. 10 psychology tricks that can make you more influential, likable, and persuasive in everyday life. Which trick surprised you the most? Comment below and let me know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing insights. See you in the next one.